Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Kayo account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Into the URL box, type in kayosports.com.au and press enter on your keyboard. You'll then end up in the official web page of Kayo Sports. Once you end up in the official page, click on this New to Kayo Try Free Now button. In order to sign up for an account, select one of the subscription package you'd like to go through with and click Continue to start off with 7-day free trial. Now, go ahead and enter a valid email address on the next page. On the next field, type in your mobile number. Once you are done typing in a valid phone number, create a password on the next field. Once you are done creating a strong password, type in your first name on the next field, followed by your last name. Enter your birth year on the last field and click on Agree and Continue. Now, you need to verify your mobile number by entering the code that has been received to you via SMS in this registered mobile number. Type in the code that you received in order to sign up or create a new account for Kayo Sports. Once you follow through the on-screen prompts till the end, you'll be good to go. That is how you can easily sign up or create a new Kayo account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.